Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best double oven ranges, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best double oven range options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which double oven ranges is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Fisher & Paykel RHV 3000 484 best rated double oven range. Fisher & Paykel 48-inch freestanding professional dual fuel smart range with 4 sealed burners. Designing and building with the vision to live life and improve it, Fisher & Paykel introduced the 48-inch freestanding professional dual fuel smart range with 4 sealed dual flow burners and 4 induction zones. You get the best of both worlds as the range's hybrid cooktop gives you 4 gas burners on the left and 4 induction zones that can be linked into 2 smart zones on the right. It's dual oven with 4.8 cubic feet and 2.1 cubic feet capacities. Allows you to cook a turkey weighing as much as 32 lb in the primary oven while simultaneously roasting your sides in the secondary oven. With 15 oven functions in the main cavity and 11 in the secondary, you can rest easy knowing that you will always get perfect results for every dish. With Fisher & Paykel, do more with lesser work. Number 2, Cafe Chac 990P. Best-selling double oven range. Cafe 30-inch slide-in induction smart range with 5 elements. Prepare party dishes with this 30-inch Cafe double oven range. 5 induction burners deliver a variety of heat levels that ensure precise cooking, and the 2 convection ovens offer 7 cubic feet, total capacity for large meal preparation. The Wi-Fi Connect feature, electronic controls, and digital temperature display of this Cafe double oven range provide simple, efficient operation. This is the ultimate in convenient cooking features. You'll love having an 11 induction element, which can boil a quart of water in just 101 seconds or maintain exact temperatures for perfect melting and simmering. Plus, video-guided recipes will help you create perfect results, while 2 independent ovens let you prepare more foods at one time. Number 3. GE JBS 86. Best GE double oven range. GE 30-inch electric double oven range with 5 radiant elements. This stylish and versatile electric double oven range from GE is just what you need to complete your kitchen. The double oven provides a total of 6.6 cubic feet to give you plenty of extra space. The large, smooth-top cooktop features 5 radiant elements to give you the space and flexibility you need to cover any meal. Built on the belief that modern life needs modern solutions, GE Profile appliances are designed to make daily life simpler by incorporating smart home technology and cutting-edge features in every appliance. GE Profile's sleek design and quality engineering will give your kitchen the most up-to-date look and the best innovative performance you've been looking. Number 4. LG LTGL 6000 937X. Best LG double oven range. LG 30-inch slide and double oven gas range with ProBake Convection R. LG ProBake Convection RE results on every rack every time. Inspired by Pro-style ranges, this new LG range moved the heating element from the bottom of the oven to the back wall for optimal heat distribution. With access to 2 ovens, you can simplify dinner time anytime. Use the quick heating upper oven for smaller meals on the go. For big events, you'll have the room you need to cook all your favorite dishes at different temperatures at the same time. Maintaining the appliance clean is easy with Easy Clean R. In 10 quick minutes, your oven can be sparkling clean without strong chemical fumes or high heat. Simply spray the oven interior with water, press Easy Clean R, and then in 10 minutes, quickly wipe away any leftover grime. Number 5. Whirlpool WGG 745 S0F. Best Whirlpool double oven range. Whirlpool 30-inch freestanding gas range with 5 sealed burners. Update your oven with this powerful range oven from Whirlpool. This range features dual ovens and a total capacity of 6 cubic feet, giving you plenty of room to cook multiple dishes at once. Enjoy true convection cooking. It distributes hot air evenly over, under, and around food. The convection conversion feature has your oven do the math for you when you need to convert traditional recipes for convection cooking, automatically adjusting cooking times and temperatures. The built-in temperature sensor monitors oven temperature and adjusts the cooking elements to help food bake easily. Never has cooking been easier. Number 6. JennAir JGRP 648 HL. Best JennAir double oven range. JennAir 48-inch freestanding professional gas smart range with 6 sealed burners. This 48-inch Smart Pro style gas range from JennAir offers precise dual flames that are produced by precision drilled brass burners. Inside the oven cavity, steady heat weaves around each flat tine. From searing select cuts and simmering sauces to succulent roasts, this range offers unmistakable firepower. Number 7. KitchenAid KFDC 550AJ. Best KitchenAid double oven range. KitchenAid 48-inch freestanding dual-fuel smart range with 6 sealed burners. Satisfy your craving to create with a 48-inch KitchenAid or range, commercial-style range with even heat MMO chrome electric griddle. This dual-fuel range combines an electric double oven with a 6-burner gas cooktop. 220,000 BTU ultra power M precision to successfully sear, simmer, stir fry, and saute. Even heat MLM. True convection helps you achieve more consistent baking and roasting. With 3-level convertible grates, you can adjust the heat to suit your cooking style. Leave the insert level for high heat searing and sauteing. Flip it over to lift your pan above the flame to simmer, and melt or remove it to nestle around bottom bub wok for stir fry. When inspiration strikes, it's easy to get cooking with the KitchenAid app and stay hands-on or hands-off when you control your oven with your Google Assistant or an Alexa metal device.